Today we are discussing properties of logarithmic or log. Log is basically a function. Log is a function. Okay, and it is write as log n base a, and there must be a domain of n and of a. N must be greater than 0 and a must be greater than 0, also not equal to 1. Okay, if these conditions are not satisfied, then we can't define log. Can't define log if these conditions are not satisfied. Okay, now basic properties of log. If log n to the base a is equal to x, we can also write it as n equal to a to the power x this time. Okay, we can convert a number into exponential form. It is exponential form. Okay, for example, if log 10 to the base 2 is equal to k, then 10 is equal to 2 to the power k, and we can calculate the value of k by k must be belongs to or between 3 and 4. Okay, because 2 to the power 3 is 8 and 2 to the power 4 is 16, so it is between 3 and 4. Okay, hope you understand. And log of 1 to the base something is equal to 0. Next is log a to the base a is equal to 1 is equal to 1. If base and this are equal, then the value of log something to the base something is 1. Okay, also a must be greater than 0 and a must be greater than 0 and not equals to 1. Okay, if these conditions are satisfied, then the properties of log or log is defined. Okay, now next is log m into n to the base a is equal to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. These are all the properties of log. Okay, also m and n must be greater than 0. Okay, by this. Next is log m to the base n, m divided by n to the base a is log m minus log n to the base a. Also m and n must be greater than 0. Next is log m to the power p to the base a is equal to p log m base a. Okay, p is multiplied by the logarithmic m to the base a. Okay, also log m to the base p and a to the base q, a to the power q is equal to log m to the base a and p divided by q. Okay, hope you understand. And these properties are also vice versa. If this, then we can also conclude it to the log m to the m into n base a. Also these are vice versa. All the properties are also vice versa. Okay, next is here m is greater than 0. Okay, next is log m to the base a is equal to 1 by log a to the base m. Okay, here m must be greater than 0 and a must be greater than 0, and m is not equal to 1 and a is also not equal to 1. Okay, hope you understand. You must note down all the formulas because it is a these are all the formulas or properties. Okay, next is log m to the base a is equal to log m to the base b divided by log a to the base b. If we have to change the base, this is called base. If we have to change the base for simplifying it, so we can do, we can use this formula or this property. Okay, next is if log a to the power log m base a to the power log m base a, if base are same, then we can change the place of m and a. We get m log a base a, and a base is 1, to m to the power 1. This can be also write it as b to the power log m base a, and we can interchange the value of b and m to the power log b base a. Okay, there must be m is greater than 0 and b is also greater than 0. Okay, next is log m to the base a into log n to the base m into log b to the base n. This can be cancelled out as this, and the final is log b to the base a. Here m, n and b is greater than 0, also m and not equal to 1. Okay, next is if log x to the base a is less than log y to the base a, then what are the possible conditions? First is x is less than y if a is greater than 1, and x is greater than y if a is less than 1. Before this property, we can just understand the concept of base 1. Okay, if log m to the base a, now if a is greater than 1, a is less than 1. Okay, if a is greater than 1, then the log m to the base a is positive, and if a is negative, if a is less than 1 or greater than 0, then log m to the base a is negative. Okay, now if a is greater than 1, this means a is greater than 1, it is a positive value and it is a positive value. Okay, so y is greater than x. Okay, simply if a is less than 1, then it is a negative value and it is a negative value. It is a more negative than this, that's why x has to be greater than y, because more negative will be lesser value. Okay, hope you understand by the number line system. Next is somewhere we see log and somewhere we see ln. Both are logarithmic function. Log is defined when base is 10 and ln is defined when base is e is exponential, that his value is 2.303. Okay, I hope you understand the basic concepts of logarithmic function, and I hope I